Hello everyone and welcome back to part 8 Git tutorial. In this tutorial you will be learning the push request and of the git command which is mostly used, as well as how to track the remote branch and local branch together so that you can know what you are doing. Okay, basically. Alright, so currently in our remote branch there is just one file called readme and nothing else. Okay, now let's say I want to add a file inside my project called remote tut. The index file that I have here, I'm going to copy this file and put it there and add it in my remote branch as well. Okay, in my remote folder as well. So if I want to do that, first of all I need to copy this one, copy and paste it there. All right, I have my file here. So I want to just open this one with notepad, and I would say git tutorial, welcome to git tutorial, something like that. And I will say this one, first remote change. Okay, something like that. Okay, and I save this file. Okay, if I go to my now GitHub to check if there is any file coming, anything, you need to say status. Once I do git status, it gave me there's some file I need to track. Okay, sure, I will say git add index.html. okay, edit. Now I want to say git commit yum index. I will say first remote project, something like that. Okay, we are committing the file. If you don't know what is add command, what is commit command, please go back to my tutorial. I have explained it very well. I hope you already know this command, so I just went through this. So file has been committed. So now let's say I want to upload to the my GitHub here. Okay, I want to upload my file here in my master branch. This is my project, current working directory. I want to have my index file here. How do I bring this index file, my local repository, to my GitHub repository? How do I do that? There's a very simple command called git push. Okay, if you are wondering what is git push, all you need to do is git push. Okay, git push is going to be push means push. So, and then you need to say the origin thing. Okay, as I told you before, origin, and the branch name. Which branch? We are pushing in master branch. As you can see, it's just given here in the green line. It says master, so we are going in master branch. Git push origin master. Job done. Let's see what it does. It's doing a thing. Don't know why my internet is fine. Ooh, it asks for authentication. Okay, makes sense. Because if you want to push anything to master branch, then it asks for authentications. In that case, I'm going to give its authentication for sure. Actually, it was something else. Okay, that's the authentication. You have your login information. Okay, so just log in. Yeah. Yeah, it looks like it has done the job it's supposed to do. Let's go back to our Git repository. We should see our index file here, guys. Can you see this index.html, guys? Yeah. All right. This is how you push the file from your local repository to your GitHub repository. This is for our master branch. Okay, don't forget we are pushing master branch. Normally we don't do that. We work with the other branches, sub branches, not with the master branches. Normally the master branch is the main branch. We don't mess up with that normally. Okay, so you need to have your local branch and then connect to the remote branch, and you need to track these two branches, and so that other developer can clone with your branch and work on branch. Okay, normally you don't get access to the master branches straight away. It is not possible to push to the master branch unless you have authentication to do so. In my case I have, so I can do it, otherwise not. Okay, so we did first let's create a branch now. Okay, in our local directory, let's say I want to create a branch. The command for creating the branch in a local is git, type the branch name, branch is branch. Okay, you type git branch and name of the branch AA. Okay, git branch A. In my last tutorial I created a branch called A, so I want to create same branch called AA here as well today. AA. I think the branch is created. Let me check. Git branch. Yeah, don't forget the AA branch is created in my local repository, not in my remote repository. That means I haven't created branch here, I have created branch in here. So I need to connect to my remote one later I will show you. So first let's check out to the branch. Git chgck check out AA. All right, we are switched to AA. Git state status on branch AA, nothing to commit, everything is clean. Cool. Okay, we have created the branch, everything is fine. Currently we are doing in local branch. Okay, so let's say we want to create branch called AA in GitHub, which is this. How do we do that now? Okay, in that case we can do something like this. Same git. Okay, you need to say git first of all. Okay, and then you say push mean push, git push, and you need to type the origin thing. Don't forget, you can need to type the origin thing, origin. Okay, git push origin, and then AA. Okay, you say AA. That's the branch we want to push. Before we want to push master, now we want to push AA. Type that. Let's see what it does. If it doesn't work, it will. It looks like it has done, but let me check it. In my remote repository, let's see here. Okay, it's currently one branch. Let's see if there's two branch. Let me reload the page. Can you see this two branch? Yeah, master branch and A branch. Can you see that, guys? Okay, so I have created my A branch successfully in GitHub from my local repository. But don't forget that the master AA branch and local AA branch are different. They are not connected to each other. Okay, so we need to make sure that we track these two branches. So in order to do that, we need to track it. Now it is not tracked. Currently we have A branch in our local, A branch in our server. If someone else, for example, if some other developers come in this project and fetch the file, he will have this information, but not from my local file. So if I want to make sure that my local branch is connected to the git remote branch, I need to do some setup here. Okay, now we're going to connect this branch from local to remote. Okay, this is our next thing. So if someone, for example, if you fetch the directory, then you can say git fetch origin, then you got that all the directory. Okay, now let's say we want to make sure that we track the branch, or we want to let's go to the first of all master branch. Git check out master. Okay, switching to master branch, we are just, as you can see here. Okay, it gives information your branch is up to date with origin master. Okay, when I say master branch is up to date with my origin branch. I don't need to worry about merging the master branch of my local to master branch of remote. But when I create the other branch like AA branch, then I need to make sure that they are tracked well. So in order to do that, what I need to do is we need to track it. So there's something called GitHub gives some command called track. All right, the GitHub has some command called track, which I will be showing in my next tutorial. Please guys, make sure you watch that video series, which will be part 8, and make sure you watch that because it's very important you understand this tracking concept. Okay, and I hope you have find this tutorial till now very useful, and thank you very much for watching this tutorial. And at the last, don't forget to subscribe in my channel.